Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter with malai at home. First, begin by collecting malai, which is the cream that forms on top of boiled milk. Each day, carefully skim off this rich layer and transfer it into an airtight container. Keep this container refrigerated for about 5 to 7 days until you have accumulated a sufficient amount. Before you start the churning process, remember to take the malai out of the fridge and let it reach room temperature for approximately 30 minutes. Now, let's move on to the exciting part. Churning. Pour all your collected, room temperature malai into a sturdy blender or a food processor. To aid the separation, add about 1/4 cup of very cold water or a few ice cubes. Begin blending on a medium speed. You'll notice the mixture thickening. Then, after about 3 to 5 minutes, the butter solids will start to separate from the liquid, which is buttermilk. Once the butter has clearly separated, it's time to isolate it from the buttermilk. Carefully pour the entire contents of your blender through a fine mesh strainer, which you've placed over a bowl. The solid, yellow butter will be caught in the strainer, while the delicious buttermilk will pass through into the bowl below. You can save this buttermilk for baking or drinking. Gently press the butter in the strainer to squeeze out any remaining liquid. The final step is crucial for fresh, long-lasting butter. Transfer your newly formed butter into a bowl filled with ice-cold water. Gently knead the butter in the water. This helps wash away any lingering buttermilk, which can cause the butter to spoil faster. Repeat this washing process 2 or 3 times, changing the water each time until the water remains clear. Your homemade butter is now ready. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.